Hi, I'm Harry March of Native Gardens of Green Valley. I would like to talk to you about Barbara Karst Bougainvillea today. We have three different sizes that we normally sell, and I can show them to you here. We have the 15-gallon size, we have the 5-gallon size, and we have the 1-gallon size. On the 1-gallon size, this is a bush bougainvillea, and it'll be fairly low and it'll spread on the ground back and forth and not grow that tall. And then we have the vine bougainvillea here that really needs a structure to grow up on, and you need to push the limbs out here and there to make it look really well. And then this is a new one here, not a new one, but one that we have, is the torch bougainvillea, and it grows with very strong limbs growing straight up, and the bracts are only on the end, and that's the colored part of the leaves. It is the most frost tolerant. There's lots of other bougainvilleas. There's white ones, orange ones, deep red ones, very, very pretty, but they do not do well in our area down here in Green Valley in southern Arizona. So we just sell the Barbara Karst. Information on the care of bougainvillea. What you first want to do is you want to plant it in the sunniest, warmest spot in your yard. And it needs at least 6 hours of strong sun daily to really do well and to look nice. The other thing is, on the bougainvillea, you don't want to overwater it. It does like to be watered nicely, but it likes to dry out a little bit in between waterings. On the vine bougainvillea, it's going to get very, very tall, and what happens when it freezes in the winter, all the leaves will fall off. So all your bougainvilleas in the wintertime, what you need to do is to cut them back, and I would cut them back about 2/3, and then it'll come back in the springtime. The biggest mistake people make is be in March and April, and they'll come to me and they'll say, I pulled out my bougainvillea, it was dead sticks. Well, that's not true. It takes a while for it to come back in the springtime, and the biggest mistake people make is they pull them out too early. One interesting fact about this vine bougainvillea, if it didn't freeze here, it could get to 20 or 30 feet tall and be absolutely just like a tree. These beautiful purple leaves on the end of the bougainvillea are called bracts, and they are actually leaves, they're not the flower. And basically, the only flower on the bougainvillea is this tiny little white guy in the middle of the purple bracts. And so that is the flower on the bougainvillea. The other interesting fact is that the other plant that has beautiful bracts is poinsettia. And you can think of the red, the white, the gold, and all the different colored bracts, but those are also leaves, not the flower. The bougainvillea can be planted in the ground, which is probably maybe the best, but it also does very well in pots. And in the pots, if you contain it a little bit and kind of scrunch the roots a little bit, it'll put out more bracts, and they'll be of a great color. We have the bougainvillea in stock right now, so come see us, and we can sell them from March all the way through the middle of September. We're located at 20 North La Cañada, just 100 yards east of Esperanza on the east side of the street.